Hello, my name is Min Struess, and I'm the principal at Hoover Elementary School, Biomedical, Health Sciences, and Engineering. Hoover Elementary is a specialty school serving about 480 students in Coon Rapids. At Hoover, our STEM health programs provide students with hands-on learning experiences focusing on biomedical, health sciences, and engineering.
We are going to go around the circle and we are going to share one thing that we are thankful for this week.
Our students become experts on human body systems and the biomedical and technological innovations that keep us healthy.
Slack. Pride.
We pride ourselves on having a collaborative school community among staff and families, including our small but mighty PTO. Our staff are strategic problem solvers who ensure that our students receive a high-quality education.
How many vowels do we have in the word jogging?
The staff at Hoover strongly believes in the power of our students and families.
And keep your scraps. I like to keep mine flat in case I want to do another flat piece.
We are committed to seeing our students be successful and future change makers. We are excited about all the great things happening at Hoover Elementary, and we hope to see you soon.